Uteti wigie maundu matiganite maria marathie na mbere na kwiyumiria guku bururi-ini ni ukoretwo ukinyita thinga na muthenya wa ira President William wa Kenyatta ari mathiko-ini ma nyina wa Musalia Mudavadi ni araugire gutire ruriri rutabatie kuheo kanya ga gutongoria bururi wa Kenya.
Unachoka na familia hii, unachoka na familia hii, sasa ni nafasi sijui ya nani. Basi kama hiyo ndio thinking ama logic, hata mimi naweza nisimame hapa basi niseme kuna jamii tu mbili za Kenya ambazo zimetawala, labda ni nafasi ya jamii nyingine pia kutawala.
Na miario no riu ikionekana kuba muthigi wa uteti uria watindo ukihurwo kundu gutiganite umuthi na munini wa President William Ruto hamwe na batoni yake matinda kanitha-ini mwena wa Kayole guku Nairobi na nionekanire gukorwo na murugamo ngurani wigie ndeto ino.
Many of the people who were talking yesterday, they were the ones who are telling me you cannot support another Kikuyu, and I told them I am not supporting Uhuru Kenyatta because of his tribe. I am supporting Uhuru Kenyatta because we have a plan that will transform this nation. And therefore I want to tell them, my friends, you better be prepared for the new conversation we are going to have in Kenya.
Hamwe na uguo Ruto nionekanire guthie na mbere na mito yake ya kuregana na mogaruruku o mothe ma gigatiba, akiuga ati mahinda-ini maya atongoria mabatie ni kugia na gikaro kia hamwe angikorwo no nginya ritana ria gucokaniriria bururi rikinyanirio.
It is not a must, it is not a condition that William Ruto or anybody must be president, but it is a must that we must all sit on the table. It is not negotiable.
It is a shame for a deputy president to behave the way ours is. Na mimi ningemuomba kama ananisikiza na kama anasikiza wa Kenya, patia rais heshima. Heshima si utumwa. Just respect the president. He has only a short time to finish his term. Saidia Uhuru amalize term yake.
Na atongoria matiganite kuma kaunti-ini ya Meru maugite ati miario iria iraririo ni ateti matiganite igongona-ini ria mathiko ma nyina wa Musalia Mudavadi ndirari na matanya ma kunyitithania muingi ta uria ari muoroto wa ripoti ya BBI.
Kama kugawanya ama kuunganisha taifa ilikuwa ni mbimbi hai peke yake, we must have a serious, honest discussion about that BBI.
Kenyan leaders should leave Kenyans to elect and support the candidature of.
Nao ambunge a mwena wa kieleweke makiria ria icigo ciao cia ubunge cikoretwo na ithabureni-ini ria andu ni mambiriirie kambeni ya gubundithia muingi wigie riboti ya BBI.
Kimwe kiria kiratuma nie support BBI ni tondu ni tuhotete kuhonokia ndaragwa yehere gutukanirwo na njororoko na ukorwo ni turongereire number of constituencies, kwoguo tukorwo tuikaritie ta njororoko tukiaria horo wa basari ciumio ku o guku maundu maria mothe tukwenda maumio guku.
Gicigo kia Ndaragwa kiria kiri kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua ni kimwe gia icigo iria ciri na namba nini ya andu na kungikinya ati riboti ino ya BBI ndikahituka gigakorwo kiri hatikaini ya kunyitithanio na gicigo kia Oljororok gukinyeria mwaka-ini wa 2024. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gujiri.